Alright guys, so today we are here with Dr. Pepper Black Cherry. Now, I'm not a Dr. Pepper drinker because I think it tastes like medicine, so I'm very interested in seeing how a blackberry Dr. Pepper tastes. Maybe it tastes better than the regular Dr. Pepper. It's got that blackberry smell to it. It almost tastes like a cherry, like you know how cherry Coke tastes, but like cherry Coke tastes, but instead of Coke, Dr. Pepper. It's like they put in like whatever they put in to make cherry Coke, they put it in the Dr. Pepper to make cherry Dr. Pepper, but they call it blackberry. That's what it kind of tastes like to me. I mean, if you like Dr. Pepper, then I guess it'll be good. But as far as I go, I'm not a big Dr. Pepper fan, so I'm gonna have to give it a thumbs down. I don't care for it. So yeah, in my opinion, it's not worth the buy. But like I said, if you're a Dr. Pepper drinker, you may like it. But yeah, it does it reminds me of like when I first tasted it. It tasted like like cherry Coke, but you know, a cherry Dr. Pepper, I'd say. That's kind of the vibe that I'm getting. And I don't eat blackberries, so I'm not sure what blackberries taste like. But yeah, I have to give it a thumbs down, not worth the buy. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.